RMC Performance Chemicals Private Limited is a startup looking to solve some of the challenges confronting our nation and world using chemistry. The company has currently focused on three areas. Number 1. Sustainable chemistry. Salt is used in huge quantity by textile industry for efficient dye exhaustion, and still dye batch exhaustion does not exceed 70%. This results in high volume of effluents being discharged with a high level of total dissolved solids. RMC Performance Chemicals Private Limited worked on the principle that high dye fixation on fabric could be achieved by cationizing the fabric. Various companies and researchers across the world have worked on this issue, but have been unable to provide a viable and sustainable solution for the problem. The company has successfully developed new technologies, process and chemistry to solve the issues facing the textile industry. The salt-free dyeing cationization process is a way to chemically modify the cotton and polyester by introducing cationic sites on the fiber. This process can increase the dye batch exhaustion and help dyers produce deeper critical shades than the conventional process, while eliminating the harmful environmental effects caused due to the usage of electrolytes such as glauber salt. Also, the new process results in significant cost and time improvement and reduces water consumption. For this innovation in chemistry and textile dyeing process, the company has been granted 5 patents recently in November 2020. Number 2. Response to COVID pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected crores of people and millions have died. Some recommended preventive and curative measures include hand washing, sanitizing, disinfecting surfaces, and steam inhalation. During the initial days, there was panic buying of sanitizers, disinfectants, and even today, the market is flooded with adulterated and unsafe products. To achieve its goal, the company has developed various products and launched them in the market to help in the prevention and cure of this infection. The company has also offered its products free of cost to many government departments to help the citizens of India during the peak of the pandemic. The company has registered numerous trademarks for its products. Number 3. Contribute to India's self-reliance. The Government of India has recently come out with a mission to make India self-reliant in the field of healthcare and pharmaceuticals, and identified 53 drugs which need to be manufactured in India. Aspirin is one of the drugs identified. RMC Performance Chemicals Private Limited has developed a process where the company hopes to make at affordable cost 1800 tons of aspirin per annum so as to make India self-reliant in this product. Aspirin is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Aspirin has many uses, including relieving pain and swelling, managing various conditions, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular events in people with a high risk. Aspirin can relieve mild to moderate pain, swelling, or both, associated with many health issues such as headaches, a cold or flu, sprains and strains, menstrual cramps, long-term conditions such as arthritis and migraine. The daily use of low-dose aspirin can lower the risk of cardiovascular events by preventing blood clots from forming. Doctors may also administer aspirin immediately after a heart attack, stroke, or another cardiovascular event to prevent further clot formation and cardiac tissue death. RMC Performance Chemicals Private Limited will focus on innovative solutions to the challenges being faced by India and will use chemistry to solve some of these challenges. We thank you for your time to go through this video about our activities and plans, and hope to receive your support to our endeavors.